The function h is defined by h of x equals a to the x plus b, where a and b are positive constants. The graph of y equals h of x in the xy plane passes through these points, 0, 10, and this point. What is the value of a times b? Now, real quickly, you have an exponential function given to you. To find a times b, we have to write an equation that's going to yield the value of a and yield the value of b. How do we do that? We're going to use the points that are given. So we're literally going to plug in one at a time. Always start with the one that has a 0 because math is easier that way. So we're going to plug those in here. So 10 equals a to the power of 0 plus b. X is 0, y is 10. So then do the math. You have 10 equals anything to the power of 0 is a 1. So a to the power of 0 is 1 plus b. Subtract 1 from both sides. And just like that, we already have the value of b as 9. Now that allows us to plug that into the equation, the b value that we now know. So our equation is starting to take shape. H of x equals a to the power of x plus 9. Now to find the b value, we're going to use the other point. Again, we're given the x and y values. Let's plug them in appropriately. Y is 325 over 36 equals some a value raised to the power of -2, because x is -2 plus 9. Now this becomes an algebra question. Subtract 9 from both sides. And yes, you are allowed to use your calculator. So go ahead and do that. And you're going to see the left side is 1 over 36. Which means those are now canceled. And the right side, all we have left is a to the -2. But I want to remind you, if you have a negative exponent, as we do here, you can rewrite this by moving that expression to the denominator. So it'll be 1 over a to the power of 2. And once you move it, your exponent is no longer a negative. So then, in a number of ways, you might already see the answer here is 6. But if you're going to solve this using the cross multiplication, a squared times 1 is a squared. 1 times 36 is 36. Square root both sides, and a is plus or minus 6. But we were told that a and b are positive constants, so we'll throw out the -6, and now we have everything we needed to do the problem. The answer was a times b, so we'd have both. So 6 times 9 is 54. C.